Can you make money trading digital art, aka NFTs? Hi, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech. Recently, YouTube recommended a video on how to make money investing in tradable digital art called NFTs. I clicked on the thumbnail because I have invested in the stock market, but never knew the internet age added a new angle to investing your hard-earned money. I had to watch a few more videos to fully understand the concept of NFTs and how to trade them. NFT is an acronym for Non-Fungible Tokens. What the heck is that? Well, non-fungible tokens are one-of-a-kind content that can't be changed, maybe like the famous Mona Lisa hanging in the Louvre in Paris, but electronic. And they're linked to digital currency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But before you start trading in this new digital form of art, you need to open a digital currency account called cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum, starting with at least $200 so you can purchase the files. And you need to know that they're not just art, but can be music or text, and that the ownership for these files is embedded in the digital file. So once you establish an Ethereum account, you need to pick a platform for displaying your NFTs for sale. When you're ready to sell your work of art, when it increases in value, you hope, you'll need to set the price higher than the fees called gas charged by the listing platform sites. If it sounds complicated, it really is, and it's not like calling your stockbroker for a quick trade. You'll need to learn the steps required to buy and sell your intellectual property. If you're an artist creator, you can benefit by jumping into NFTs. Just convert your work into NFTs and list them in one or more of the approved platforms. Creators will benefit because this eliminates the middleman's commission. However, you will be responsible for certain transaction fees, which can be variable depending on the platform and market. Am I making any sense? I hope so. But once you make it through a few transactions, you'll get the hang of it. So you're probably asking, would I trade in NFTs? To be honest, unless you're an artist selling your own digital intellectual property, I wouldn't recommend it because to me, it seems very risky. First of all, the value of Bitcoin and Ethereum can vary daily, and you can lose money when it's down. And over the weekend, Bitcoin suddenly dropped 20%. That was crazy scary. Also, listing fees can change as well, and buying NFTs can be speculative. You may pay $1,000 for one that you think will increase in value, but after the purchase, it could drop down. Also, as I mentioned, since Bitcoin value fluctuates, that can make for an uncertain investment. I am not interested in the risk, but you may decide otherwise. Good luck if you decide to trade in NFTs, but I hope you have some fun money to risk. Sometimes investing requires a little luck along with skill when picking the right securities. The digital art I'm displaying in the background are from Unsplash.com. It's a source I use for freely usable images. The authors upload their files to Unsplash, and then you get to download them and use them for your YouTube projects. They're all usable for both personal and business, so you don't have to worry about copyright problems. These images in the background are not really NFTs, but they could be, and that's what NFTs look like. If you like my often strange content, please subscribe. The subscribe button is up there on the right.